Another day in the D doing a home inspection. So I get here, it's, you know, not such a great neighborhood. The buyer I talked to on the phone made it sound like the house was just about done, you know, ready to move into. He said they're going to wait to put the furnace in because they steal the furnace if you put it in too soon here in Detroit. So he was going to wait. They're going to wait to put the furnace in. So anyway, I get here and the side door's kicked in. So they've already broken in looking for the furnace, I guess, whatever they could steal out of here. So you see that a lot around here. So let's take a look inside and see what's going on. Hello? Hello? I actually developed a technique for doing this. I haven't done this in a long time, but let me show you. I'm pretty sure there's nobody here, so I'm kind of joking, fooling around, but put my gun down for a second. I actually did, back when the real estate market was crashed, this is all I did. So I developed a technique for carrying my flashlight, there's my flashlight, and my gun in one hand. So I kind of walk around pointing my gun as I go through the house to make sure it's clear. You got to clear the house like the SWAT team does when you inspect houses in Detroit, in some of the neighborhoods. Now Detroit is coming back, okay? Detroit has come back so much in the past 10 years that I don't even recognize parts of it, but not so much this part. They had a boiler and they put these heat runs in because they're going to put a forced air furnace in. Looks like that new roof is leaking. It's got a new roof on it, but it looks like a crappy job. And it's leaking. I can see water dripping through. And I think the realtor's pulling up out there. Oh, there's a fireplace falling apart. I can get some good pictures of that. I need some good fireplace pictures for my lessons. But yeah, this is, I was just kind of fooling around with my pistol here. I do carry a pistol when I do inspections. I carry a pistol a lot of the time now. I watch too many crime videos. And I've been carrying a gun for a long time and I haven't shot anybody yet. So I'm just kind of joking around, you guys. Don't get excited. So anyway, but yeah, what I said was true. I carry my flashlight and my pistol in the same hand, and I just kind of go through the house like this and make sure it's all clear. And then I start my inspection, and it's just the way it is. Someone's been working here. I wonder if they stole any of his tools. I hope they didn't keep their tools in here. They didn't take the cabinets, at least not yet. Oh well, that's it. Thanks for watching.